You bought 5 pounds of ground hamburger meat. You want to make quarter pounders that each weigh 0.25 of a pound. How many quarter pounders can you make? Well, first let's understand what we have to figure out. So how many quarter pounders can you make? So rephrasing that, I could say I can make blank. Quarter pounders are just hamburgers, so I'm going to put hamburgers. I can make blank hamburgers. My plan here, whenever I have decimals, I like to pretend that that's just a regular number. So if I have 5 pounds total, and I want to figure out how many times this number can go into the 5 pounds, into my total, like pretend that that's a 2. If each hamburger weighed 2 pounds, and we want to figure out how many hamburgers we can make, we would divide 2 by 5. So my plan is that I'm going to divide 5 divided by 0.25 because I want to figure out how many times can this 0.25 go into 5. So then on my solve, my 5 is going to go inside the house. 0.25 stays outside. When I divide with decimals, I have to move this outside decimal to make it a whole number, and then I move the inside decimal the same amount of spaces. So I fill in with zeros. I'm going to bring my decimal straight up to the top. So now I've got 500 divided by 25. These are both whole numbers now. Well, so I know 25 does not go into 5. 25 goes into 50 2 times. 2 times 25 is 50. Subtract and I get 0. Bring down the 0. 25 goes into 0 times. So my answer is 20. To check it out, I know that each one of these 20 hamburgers is going to weigh 0.25 of a pound, so I could take my 20 hamburgers, and multiply it times 0.25 pounds. So 5 times 0 is 0, 5 times 2 is 10, put my placeholder, 2 times 0 is 0, 2 times 2 is 4, add those two together, and I get 5. Then I figure out my decimal. I've got 2 places here, 2. So my answer, I need 2 places on my answer, so 1, 2, and my answer is 5. So that got me back to the original 5 pounds. So I can make 20 hamburgers.